Teen Activity Kit.
Welcome to the Teen Activity Kit Kool-Aid Tie-Dye. In a plastic or glass bowl, mix 1 packet of Kool-Aid with a half cup of vinegar. Next, stir with a spoon until the Kool-Aid is dissolved completely. Make sure you have a separate bowl for each color. Now twist the handkerchief all around and secure it with rubber bands. You want a few different areas twisted up, one for each color. We will then dip the ends of our handkerchief into the different colors. If you don't want to stain your fingers, you can use some disposable gloves. The longer you let the twisted handkerchief soak in a color, the more liquid it will absorb and appear as more of a solid. If you want more variation, quickly dip a twisted end into the liquid. Or you can have an eyedropper to be even more precise with how much liquid your handkerchief absorbs. Put the handkerchief into a sandwich bag and let it sit for a few hours. I put mine out in the sun. The colors may be darker the longer it sits. Finally, we will iron the handkerchief on medium-high to set the colors. Use an old towel between your iron and the handkerchief to make sure you don't stain your iron. Let the handkerchief sit a full 24 hours before washing. Since we are using Kool-Aid, the colors will eventually fade. Be sure to post your creations online and tag the library's social media accounts. I hope you had fun and be on the lookout for more teen activity kits.